I'm across from the Mobile Convention Center, which is right there, right in the heart of the city. And in this area, loquats often lose their blooms because they freeze off. However, this loquat and multiple others are right here, tucked up in these buildings. And as you can see, there are fruit on them. The ones that are out in my yard, the fruit freezes off at about 24 degrees. It'll take the blooms off. Now the tree is very cold hardy, but the blooms are not. So if you see right here, this tree tucked in here has made its way up, and despite the little bit of light that it's getting from up there and from the side, it's in a perfect location to not freeze. So if you're ever wondering, can I grow that here? Sometimes, even though it's not necessarily suited to your zone precisely, you can tuck a tree in or grow a plant in a microclimate in your yard. If you can find a microclimate up against the south-facing wall of the house, or in a corner where it's protected from the north wind, where it's just a little bit warmer, or maybe underneath the edge of a canopy of another tree, if it gets enough sunlight and it doesn't freeze, that microclimate could save you. And if you're interested in this sort of nerdy thing, you can check out my book, Push the Zone, The Good Guide to Growing Tropical Plants Beyond the Tropics. And that applies even if you're further north and you've got something that's maybe a zone south of you that you're not sure that you can grow. You might be able to do it, and I've got some examples of that in there. So there you go. Even the squirrels are happy in there. Microclimate for the win.